So hello everyone, welcome to EduTech. So guys, one thing that we have witnessed in these recent examination of NABARD is that current affair is playing a very important role in your sections of GA and ESI. And yes, ARD is dominated by static part, but still there are some questions that can be inferred from the current affairs. Now when I talk about merit section, ठीक है, टोटल 100 मार्क्स का मेरिट सेक्शन है. मेरिट इन मेरिट बिकम्स करंट अफेयर्स बिकॉज around and around 65 marks of paper is basically being asked from your current affairs, which tells us that this is a very important thing that needs to be focused on. So when you are preparing current affairs, the most common thing that comes, the most important difficulty that comes in front of your mind is okay, which source should I start preparing when I am starting preparing the current affairs. Yes, there are multiple sources and we always get confused कि कौन सा source हम लोग pick करें. For that, guys, I have brought up a solution in today's video. Okay, what are the sources which are the most important that you should not left when you are preparing the current affairs? Now you must be wondering, how can I be so sure about these sources? For that, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what we have done for you. So guys, we have analyzed each and every paper of the past years, 2021 examination, each and every question we have analyzed, and then what we have tried to analyze is, we have tried to analyze the original sources from where these questions have been asked. Similar analysis has been done for your phase 2 examination of 2021 and for the 2022 phase 1 examination also. We have analyzed each and every question from where the questions have been asked. We have tried deep dive and analyze sources, and now with this thing we can guide you better that what are the sources that you should keep preparing or what you should focus when you are preparing for your NABARD current affairs. Now guys, let's start with the video of the day. Okay ji. So before proceeding, guys, I have this very important document in my hand, that is this NABARD guidebook that is we have prepared it for you. So what it contains? It contains all important information regarding the NABARD examination. That is, what is the examination pattern of NABARD, what are the previous year cutoffs, what is the syllabus of NABARD, what are the strategies that you should follow for, what are the sources that you should follow for the NABARD examination, and very important thing, 6-step formula, that is 6-step domination formula that can help you achieve this examination, that can help you in succeeding in this examination. Now guys, if I talk about this thing, this document, because generally आप इस वीडियोस को काफी ज्यादा वीडियोस पे सर्च करोगे इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को, but now this thing is absolutely free for you. Yes guys, you can download this guidebook, that is absolutely free. Okay, ji? You just have to do one thing. There is a link given in the description below. You just have to click that link and you can take this guidebook with you. Now guys, coming to the lecture of the day. So if I talk about the sources, yes guys, these are the two important sources that you should follow. Okay, so if I talk about the recent paper, out of 20 questions, 75% of paper is basically being asked from these two sources. Okay. If I talk about excluding the questions that are from static current affairs, India Maldives, 8 degree channel वाला क्वेश्चन छोड़ दो, एंटार्क्टिक वाला क्वेश्चन छोड़ दीजिए, और जो बुक दैट वाज रिलीज्ड बाय अमिताभ बच्चन, these are the 3 questions that we can leave. So if I leave these questions, there will be total 17 questions that are from your current affairs, and out of these 17 questions, 15 questions could be asked from these two sources. Yes guys, could be solved from these two sources. Okay, and if I give you an example for that, so look at the question that has been asked. There was a question on the name of the third India Bangladesh passenger train that is going to run place. It was seen in PIB on 1st of June. Similarly, there was a question on Gati Shakti Vidyalaya. This was again a news that was seen in PIB on 3rd of August. If I look at the other question, India's first urban elevated expressway, again seen in PIB. ठीक है जी, 11th of July की न्यूज थी. Mirabai Chanu has won the gold medal under which category? That was also being mentioned in this specific link on 31st of July when Jeremy has won the gold, and it has been clearly mentioned in this article that Mirabai Chanu has won the first gold for India under the 49 kg category. So from there this question could be solved. If I talk about the other paper, ठीक है जी, अगर हिंदू की बात करूं, तो देखो, there was a question on the United Nations General Assembly has elected which of the following countries to replace Russia in the UN Human Rights Commission. That was a question that was being asked from 29th of April link of Hindu, where it has been mentioned that UN votes in May 11 on replacing Russia from Human Rights Council. Similarly, if I talk about the Dhanuri scheme, Dhanuri mission के बारे में if I talk about the question that has been asked, it was again being asked from your 5th of August link of Hindu. So which tells us these two sources are very prominent. Similarly, guys, when I talk about ESI section, In ESI also, the important thing that we can understand here is majority of paper in both 2021 and 2022 in your phase 1 examination, the majority of questions have been asked from PIB. Yes, the majority of questions have been asked from PIB. This is a common pattern. This year there are 26 questions. Previous year I can say there were 28 questions that were there from PIB. So which means PIB is dominating in the ESI current affairs. Okay. Then this is again a common trend that we have seen is there are some questions that are being asked. So you might be wondering कि सर हिंदू में से 2 क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं और आप बोल रहे हो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Now guys, tell me one thing. The news that are being asked in PIB, they will also be covered in Hindu, which means excluding in news को exclude करके जो 2 news exclusively हिंदू से relate करती थी, these are these 2 specific news. Now, one important trend that we have seen in ESI current affairs in the past year examination is that ESI does not mean only economic and social issues. The questions from Indian agriculture are again being asked in the examination. You can take an example of the schemes like National Rural Livelihood Mission has been asked, PM Kisan scheme has been asked in ESI section, and there was questions again. Now this year also there are questions which are being asked from the agriculture background in the ESI section. Now if you have seen, if I talk about the question that was there on regional rural banks, तो RRBs वाले question कहाँ से आए थे? They were being asked from the NABARD report that is on the key statistics report on RRB that is being released by NABARD. So that's why I mentioned NABARD website is a very important source when you are preparing the current affairs for ESI as well as for ARD. Okay. So when I talk about the questions here, you can see the questions. ठीक है जी. अंत्योदय, आजादी से अंत्योदय the campaign was being asked. It was in PIB. Then is National Education Policy. A full-fledged article was there on National Education Policy on 1st of August. I have discussed with you on that on my PIB lecture also. That's you can see कि PIB कितना important है. प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना, ठीक है, समग्र शिक्षा अभियान. I can give you lots of example, guys. These all things were seen in news. PM विकास scheme, प्रधानमंत्री अनुसूचित जाति अभ्युदय योजना. All these schemes were seen in PIB. Okay, so you can see other examples also. प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. It was seen in news on 8th of August. You can see in PIB. ठीक है जी. And this is the clear line that has been mentioned in a question जो कि आपके पेपर में पूछा गया था. जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, how much rupees? That is 12 to 20 has also been asked. और सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, both the things were being asked. सुरक्षा बीमा योजना 12 to 20 and जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना 330 to 436. Talking about the questions, why I am saying NABARD website is important. So see, there were 2 questions on the growth rate of RRB, which we were expecting a question आपका financial background से आया, but it was not like that. The question was basically from the NABARD website, and if I talk about this specific report, this is the report. Key statistics and financial statements of regional rural banks on 31st of March 2022. That is a report that is being released by NABARD. So which tells us that NABARD website is important. Any scheme that is being mentioned in NABARD website, NABARD annual report, reports released by NABARD, they are very, very important for your ESI as well as for your ARD section. And they are relevant both for phase 1 and phase 2 of the examination. Okay. Similarly, if I talk about ARD, so this year examination, you can see majority of questions, there were around 8 questions in the from current affairs, and majority of questions, you can see almost all questions were from PIB. So this is the important thing to understand here is this year's trend. Previous year there were some questions that were also being asked from some other sources also, that I will also be discussing with you. ठीक है. अब देखो MSP का question आया. This is again you can see 8th of September 2021. There was a news in PIB. ठीक है. MSP for lentils. The question has been asked. Then is which scheme? The question on scheme was being asked that which scheme provides the information to farmers on nutritional status of their soil. Soil health card scheme seen in news in PIB. So now, if I talk about along with that, the other sources that are important are guys these 2 sources. This you should also follow. PIB तो आप follow करो ही, but इसके अलावा जो news आपकी काफी ज्यादा ARD के regarding आती है, they are covered in Hindu Business Line और Krishi Jagran. If I talk about a question, there was a question on opium that has been asked in your GA section or in your ESI section about the opium cultivation. There was a question asked. That was a question that is from Hindu Business Line. Okay, so these are kind of things from where you could prepare your ARD current affairs. So these are the important sources for ARD current affairs. Now, if I talk about this till this point of time, each one of you know about the sources. There will be majority of students here also who knows these sources other also. But what mistakes they are making is कि challenges क्या आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे cover करने के लिए. What are the challenges you are facing? So the most important challenges that the student is facing is, guys, there are too many news articles. So if you look at the PIB, it's every one of you have seen that PIB is playing a dominant part here. But if you look at the PIB, consistently PIB, you can see 35 to 40 links are there in PIB each and every day. Okay? But at times of budget sessions or monsoon session, you will be seeing around 125 to 130 links daily. 130 news daily, and filtering out a news, filtering out information, it becomes a very tedious task at that point of time. And that is where students started neglecting PIB. कि अब हमें PIB हम नहीं कवर कर पाएंगे, यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है. Same thing goes for Hindu also. So in Hindu, what you will see is there are different sections, because Hindu also covers some regional news also. It's not that you should not cover. There might do. We have seen some questions also. If some sanctuary has been established in Kerala, the question has been asked from regional news also. That has been covered in Hindu. So again, the important thing here is, guys, too many news. First of all, filtering out a news is a very tedious task. Then after that, after filtration, the most important task is what are the important information or important informations that you need to search on. This is again a second very important thing that is here. Now, what should be the advice to a student? So how you could done all these things? The important thing is what you should do is, first of all, when you are making your notes on yourself, ठीक है, अगर आप self preparation कर रहे हो, when you are making your notes, the important thing will be you have your reference to PYQs is must. Reference to PYQs is must, even in terms of filtering of a news, even in terms of writing something in your notes. Filtration is the important thing here. For that, the MCQs, the previous year MCQs will play a very prominent role here. Now after that, the most important thing here is, again the students that they are committing mistake is they are not revising the notes. Notes तो हर बच्चा बना रहा है but revise नहीं कर पा रहा है, और ये बहुत बड़ी problem है. You are making the notes but you are not, if you are not revising that thing, it's just like a piece of paper which is of no use to you. जब तक आप उसको revise नहीं कर रहे, update नहीं कर रहे. So this is the thing, you have to revise your notes maximum number of times, multiple number of times, and keep updating the notes also. It's not like you have made a note in 2022, your examination is in 2023, और यही notes आपके काम आएंगे, नहीं. It will keep on updating. It's current affair. That is what current affair means. The information keeps on updating, and that you have to keep a track on that. Okay. After that, the most important thing will be you have to practice more and more number of MCQs, because at the end, practice is the key to success. So guys, for that, how we are helping you in catering all these things for you is, see the things that we are providing you. For schemes, we have a dedicated document that is monthly schemes tab, or a schemes tab document, in which we are covering the schemes on a monthly basis from PIB, from Hindu, all the important sources that are relevant, that I have discussed with you. Okay? And we are covering each and every information that is relevant for your examination. Then, after that, in schemes, what you will be seeing it, along with scheme, you will see the MCQs also for your practice. Then we have the reports document, separate reports document, in which all the important reports of national organizations, international organizations has been categorized in 3 sections, which are according to the relevance of the examination. First section सबसे important, second section उससे कम important, third section which is relevant only for phase 1. Then we have our current affairs magazine. So those news that are not covered in schemes and reports are being covered in our current affairs magazine, again in 3 different sections, which is again segregation for you. GA relevant only for phase 1, GA plus ESI and GA plus finance relevant both for phase 1 and phase 2, and then we have a simple static GA section also, which will help you in preparing static GA from the current affairs perspective. So guys, this was all about your important sources video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then also guys, share the video with your friends also, so that they can also take the benefit of that. Now we are providing multiple videos on our YouTube channel. You can access the videos, and you can access the PDF of these videos on our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. So guys, this was all from my side. I hope this video has provided you more clarity on how you should approach your NABARD current affairs preparation for the next year, for the upcoming examination of 2023. Still guys, if you have any kind of doubt, you could drop me an email at hello@edutab.co.in. You could even have a call with us on this number, that is 81462 07241. I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. Keep learning, keep preparing, wishing you all the best for your examination. Bye bye.